Hello and welcome back to another C++ tutorial for beginners. If you're completely new and you want to know what software to use and how to get everything set up, use these two commands right here. By the way, I'm in Linux, so this is not a Windows tutorial, but if you're in Linux, do the sudo apt-get install njuta tac-y, and then you have to install the libtool bin, otherwise it won't work right. But today I'm going to show you how to do if-else statements in C++. And you can go ahead and look at the, well here, let me blow this code up a little bit so that it's bigger. Save that so that it makes it look cool and colorful. There we go. So the first thing we do here is we include an out stream. This is kind of like import in Python. The in out stream lets us, echo data out to the terminal, to the computer, to the user, to the GUI, whatever, however we want to do it. We'll get into this in another tutorial. I went over this in the last video. I might as well just go ahead and explain it again. In Python, we define a function like this. Okay, so in C++, we do it a different way. We call it an initializing a function or initializing a variable, and we do that by typing int and then the name of function. Now, in C++, the default innate function is main. It's always going to be there. It's run immediately no matter what. And we use these to open and close. We use the same indentation. When we initialize a variable, we do int x equals and then the value, and we end it with a semicolon. You're going to see a lot of things being ended with semicolons in C++. Cout here is the equivalent to print, Python's print, except we do cout, 2 gator mouse, and then the text. And if you wanted to add a variable to that, you would just do it like that. So we could say equals 420. So it's a lot more similar than you would think. Here's the if-else statement. We got our open bracket, close bracket, equal, the same as it would be in Python, and exclamation equal, which represents not equal, the same as it would be in Python. Same kind of indentation rules. The only thing a little different is this right here has to be done precise. Like you see, you got if, you got the open bracket, you indent, and then you close the if, insert an else, and then open a new bracket for the else, and you have to end that as well. So over here you can see that I've run this in action, and the terminal echoed out it's 420 because I asked if x was equal to 420 for it to print it's 420. Now if we change that to 100 and we run it, it's not 420. So that's the basic gist of it. Short, simple, sweet tutorial. We'll go more in depth in the future. This is the second video in this tutorial series that I've put out. It might not seem like a lot to take in, but I guarantee you after you watch like 15 of these videos and you understand each one of these small, simple things, you'll be able to put together your first C++ program. So pretty cool, pretty exciting. It's always fun to learn new things, and if this is the first time you're learning any kind of programming, I suggest starting with Ruby and Python, and because if you learn those first, then C++ will just fall into your lap. It just come to you. So please let me know what you think. Comment below if you have questions. Please subscribe if you enjoy these videos, and as always, I'm Scott. Peace out. Until next time.